There's been a lot of changes in the market over the last couple years for early stage companies. Investors are now asking for these companies to be a little bit later stage. So you can be preclinical, but the round that you need to raise needs to get you into the clinic. And so for Series A companies, Series B means be in the clinic. Really, the change that's happened over the last couple years is a function of the IPO market. And what happened over time is that the IPOs became a much more difficult endeavor. Where 2 years ago, 50% of the IPOs, which were 90 plus IPOs for the year, were preclinical. Now that has changed. And so that's made companies have to get further along in their development cycle to even think about the next private round before even contemplating an IPO. You have to have a very thorough, well thought out private financing plan. And it needs to be focused on what value can you create with the capital that you're achieving that allows a new investor to be excited to put the next round in. The public market is demanding these companies to be further along, and so that flows downhill. And that flows down to early stage companies and what you need and the capital you need and the milestones you need to create in order to get to those next levels. And so the public market affects the private investors, which affect the ability for these companies to get funded in the first place.